Alright, so tomorrow we have the Yeezy Naturals dropping on Footsites and YS. So I'm going to show you how I do my setup for Footsites and Yeezy Supply on Project Destroyer. I go to New Task, input the name of the website. So Foot Locker, put in the product code, select SKU, put 1 for quantity, select your proxies, and I like using PayPal mode. I've had great success using PayPal mode on previous drops, so I'm going to continue using it. And these are the men, so I want to select 7.5 and 8 or whatever size you prefer. Choose your profiles, hit create task. Alright, now we can get into the grade school. This is where I mainly focus on grade school. I create more tasks for grade school just because grade school sizes do a lot better over time. So we're going to do the same thing, put in the product ID, proxy, PayPal mode, and then select your size. I'm selecting 4.5 to a 7, and then select your profiles and create your task. Now you just want to repeat everything over again for each foot site, right? So you got Champs, Foot Action, East Bay. You want to do the same exact thing, you know, create your task for the men's sizes and the GS sizes, select your proxies, and so on. Now that we're done with foot size, we can move over to Yeezy Supply. Now Yeezy Supply is a little bit different when creating your tasks. You want to grab the product ID, put that in the field. Make sure you select SKU, put 1 for quantity, select your proxy, and now you need the splash URL. And this is provided in the Discord for Project Destroyer. Just copy and paste that in there. Make sure you select splash release, auto checkout. The thing about Project Destroyer is you have size range. You can select random and check that box, and you can select what size you want. So for me, 4.5 up to an 8, right? So each task will have that range, and then just create your task. Now we want to go over to settings. And a few key things that we want to look at is we want to log in to a good Gmail, a Gmail that's a 0.7 or a 0.9. This will help us, you know, pass the splash faster. And then put in your proxy here where it says localhost if you're not running locally. And then you just want to do the same thing for the second part. Put in a good Gmail with a score of 0.7 or 0.9. And then put in a proxy if you're going to be running on the server. And this is how my settings are. I don't mess with them. Just hit the save button on the bottom and you're good. That's pretty much it for setting up for Yeezy Supply. Now we can go and take a look at what we created. So for foot size, I start my task 20 to 15 minutes early. And then for Yeezy Supply, I start my task when the sale is live. And then for delays, I run 4,000 to 5,000. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if this video helped you out in any way, or if you have any questions. So the drop will be tomorrow, 7 a.m. Eastern. So I hope you guys cook.